taping. Hi guys, right, Jason and I are watching a very savage storm tonight. I'll just show you in a minute. Right, where are we? Oh, there we are. Yeah, it's an absolutely savage storm tonight. It's the worst one I've seen since the 70s. It's not been thundering, it's been continually thundering now for about nearly half an hour, I would say, maybe 20 minutes, something like that. Absolutely savage. I'll just give you a look at it. It's actually calming down a bit now, but it's flashing in between the trees. See it all the time. Absolutely crazy. So we thought we'd try and get a few shots of it. Ooh, there we go again. Absolutely brilliant. Just thought you might want to see it. Really, really violent night. It's been torrential rain as well. Okay guys, anyway, thanks for watching.